Tower Spirit Wings 3044, ready to go, hold short runway 31.
Spirit 3044, Atlantic City Tower, runway 31, clear for takeoff, maintain 7,000.
Alright, 31, clear for takeoff, maintain 7,000, Spirit Wings 3044. ATC, we've had a bird strike in the right engine. Come to a stop on the runway.
Spirit 3044, roger. Spirit 3044, you need any assistance?
Yes, send the truck, please.
Roger. Spirit 3044, there appears to be fire under your right engine.
Alright, we got that, Spirit Wings 3044. Please roll the trucks.
Trucks are coming.
And Tower, we are evacuating.
Roger.
Atlantic City ground. Zone 2417.
Zone 2417, Atlantic City ground.
Clearance across 422 to runway 13 for the Spirit 5.
Zone 2417, proceed across runway 422. Proceed on runway 31 as requested.
Zone 2417 copies, clear to copy runway 422 to 1331.
Atlantic City ground, Destino, November 7 Delta Romeo.
7 Delta Romeo, Atlantic City ground.
Yeah, look, we're going to be getting ready to go here in a few minutes, and just looking over there at Spirit, is there going to be an alternate way to taxi out?
Phenom, 7 Delta Romeo. At the moment, we are on alert 3 and the airport is closed.
Okay, I'm sorry to bug you on it. Do you have any kind of time frame?
So they just had a bird strike and subsequent engine fire approximately 5 minutes ago. So not too sure on an ETA of when that's going to get taken care of. They're evacuating the aircraft on the runway.
Okay, all right, appreciate the information, and then I'll just pass the information on to passengers. So right now, just the airport's closed with the unknown time at this time.
Delta Romeo, affirmative.
Okay, thanks.
No problem.